I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying your phone supports eSIM and is unlocked. This matters because locked devices block alternate carriers. Once done, connect to a stable Wi-Fi and charge above 20% so activation won't interrupt. Make sure you have either the carrier's QR code, activation code, or their app ready. Those are the keys. You should also record existing APN or profile details in case you need to revert. Now open Settings and navigate to the Cellular or Mobile Plans area to add a new plan. Next, tap Add Cellular Plan and scan the QR code or type the activation code provided by the carrier. This creates the eSIM profile. Once the profile installs, assign labels like Primary or Travel and decide which line handles mobile data versus calls. This prevents accidental roaming charges. Make sure to set the data roaming and network selection per carrier guidance. If the carrier app offers activation, use it. Otherwise, manually enter APN and authentication details if automatic configuration doesn't appear. To finish, restart your device so the network registers the new eSIM profile. This often resolves provisioning delays. After reboot, verify signal bars and run quick tests. Place a call, send an SMS, and browse data to confirm services. If you see no service, switch your default voice or data line to the eSIM profile and retry. One key troubleshooting tip: if activation still fails, update your phone OS. Remove and re-add the eSIM, and then contact carrier support with the activation code.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.